So I'm Ryan Ward, work at Browning, product manager at Browning over some of the apparel line and other hard goods. But here at this ATA, we're very excited to show our speed line. So speed, kind of the main story of our speed line is the camel pattern. We launched this in the ATAX camel pattern in two patterns, in the AU pattern for kind of a more western open type hunting, and then in the FG, which is more of a foliage kind of green pattern. The great part about our speed line, you know, in addition to the camel is very, very functional. It kind of started in a tactical setting, which has performed very, very well, you know, and has proven itself in that setting for, you know, human eyes and, you know, obviously people fighting for their lives. So that's, you know, it's functional. So we took that theory and that logic and applied it into the hunting world. So in addition to the fabric and the pattern, you know, it doesn't actually make you blend in with like your terrain. It actually kind of dissolves your outline. So that's kind of the goal of this pattern. So in addition to that, we have what we call a hero fit. Hero fit is kind of like a trademark fit that we have, and it's a lot slimmer and sleeker type, athletic type fit, eliminating a lot of the bulk, right? So, you know, it's not big and boxy, and you don't have additional, you know, sleeves or growth in the sleeves to get caught in a bow or anything like that. So very, very trim and sleek. But in addition, everything is a four-way stretch fabric, right? So the four-way stretch, you can have that tight, form-fitting garment, but you know, you're not going to get bound up when you're drawing a bow or crawling or doing anything, you know, getting in a tree stand. So the garment's going to work with you instead of kind of against you, and you're adding additional weight and bulk. So that's kind of why we went with the speed name as well. You know, this is a lightweight, fast layering system. So we have everything top to bottom, from, you know, base layers all the way up to, you know, your warmest. What you're looking at here, he's wearing what we call our Hellfire jacket. This is a body mapping system, so it's hard to show on the mannequin, but throughout so on the arms and on the shoulders, there's additional like Primaloft insulation in places where you need it through your core, and other places, you know, along the bottom of the jacket, you know, there is not that insulation, and so, you know, you're going to be able to bend and fold where you need to and not have an additional like crimping because of additional insulation and things like that. So our Hellfire jacket and pant have that body mapping system. You know, as we go down from there, there's, you know, lighter weight system. You know, it's more for, you know, an August, September type hunting. It's a little more breathable. Doesn't have the full, you know, water repellency and waterproofing that some of this outerwear does. So we're really, really excited about this, you know, this pattern and this whole line as a whole.